Okay, so check it out. Hi, welcome to Paper Artland. Today let's make a very simple paper airplane, the Trident. To make this paper airplane, you need a printing paper. You can use a US letter size or you can use an A4 paper. First step, we'll fold the paper in half, this way. Second step, I will start from this edge and fold to this edge to create a second center crease. Now open the paper. I will start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Next step, I start from this edge, fold it to this crease. And repeat the same step for this side. Now I will start from this corner and I fold this layer out straight to this corner. You can see what I'm doing now. Okay. And repeat the same step for this side. This looks really good. As you can see the edge here, I will use it as my reference to fold this rectangle shape down. Here we go. And next, I start from this edge, fold to this edge to create a very strong head. Okay, and next, hold the paper like this and fold it in half. Very simple. Now, you can start from this edge, fold straight down to this edge to create a wing. And repeat the same step for this side. Turn the paper over and start from this edge, fold it to this edge. Okay, let's stop right here and I will show you next step. Start from this edge, I will fold it to this edge and then unfold the paper. Repeat the same step for the other side. Turn the paper over, start from this edge, fold it straight to this edge here. And unfold the paper. Now, open the wings. You will have a shape that blends like this. You can try it right now, but for me, I will create this center stabilizer to make it fly better. Okay, I will turn the paper this way and I will fold a triangle shape. I will start from this point, fold straight out to him. Okay. As you can see here, I leave a gap about 1/4 of an inch from this center crease along this edge. Now turn the paper over I pull this triangle shape up to create the center stabilizer. Okay, for the wings down a bit. Okay, it will fly better if the wings goes down a little bit like this, and make sure that you follow the stabilizers on both sides evenly, otherwise it will fly to left or right. If it fly to right, you can follow the left more. If it fly to left, you can follow the right more. Okay, here you go. Let's see the Trident. Try it out. And if it's fly well for you, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And finally, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time. Guys, so this is the Trident. When you throw the plane, you need to fold the stabilizers toward the outside a little bit more. It depends on the paper you have. You may have to fold it inward, so test it first. This is just a fun paper airplane. It doesn't fly very far, but it flies pretty well. So check it out now. Once again, I will throw it a little bit harder. I will not throw it too hard because I don't want it to fly to my neighbor backyard. So here we go. That's the Trident.